we're in Sanger, California. Just finished installing a couple of Kohler faucets in polished brass finish, 4-inch center set. These were purchased by the homeowner. We installed them. The old ones, basically the same style. I'm not sure who the manufacturer is. Looks like maybe a price fister in the bathroom. Anyway, so there's 2 in here. Faucet over there, faucet over here. Underneath, we gave you new water connectors. What's really nice about this is you currently have quarter turn angle stops. So these guys, quarter turn off, quarter turn on. Those are real nice. They don't leak and they give you lots of service life. Above that, you can see our braided stainless steel connector going up to the faucet on the hot and the cold side. So those are ours. So your valves, our supply lines, we did reuse your original waste, and so that's tied back in. New drain assembly comes with the sink, and I won't document the other side. It's just identical. Hot and cold braided stainless steel supplies, your shutoff valves, and then drain assembly. So everything here looks good. We're testing for leaks right now, and outside of that, this installation is done.